Bola ng Jamaica. Pido controlling the ball. Guarded by Jenmar Bragaes. Bragaes bounce pass to Montemayor. Ginamitan ng katawan sa ilalim. Steal by AG Agbong. Relax lang daw. Steve Nash Enriquez. "13 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jenmar Bragaes to Alarcon. Alarcon sa labas. Bang! Nagpakawala agad si Harold Alarcon. Razona. Haras by Enriquez. Pass to Pido. Pido. Gahanap ng kapasahan. Labas kay Las Coulibaly. Driving to the basket. What a nice defense by AG Agbong. Pero may foul. Foul o jump ball? Ano man tawag? Jump ball. Tonton Peralta. Montemayor. O Dave Arana. Dave. Steal by Jenmar Alarcon. Jenmar Bragaes. Woo! Angas Kapampangan ng paramdam dito sa Valencia, Bukidnon. Peralta wala. 2 points. Las Coulibaly. Gandang putback. Enriquez. Pass to Bragaes. Bragaes for 3. Jenmar Bragaes. Sumama. Razona. Steal by Enriquez. Jenmar Bragaes. Take off. 2 points. Jenmar Bragaes. Napatime out ang Jamaica. Score 14-4 in favor of CM Farm. When it's time, last 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Umahabol 7 puntos ang Kalamangan. 8-0 run. Razona, what a nice block by Jenmar Bragaes. Tatlo po ang Kalamangan ng CM Farm. 57-60. Jenmar Bragaes. Jenmar Bragaes lumipad. Pasa kay Sanjo. Extra pass to Harold Alarcon for 3. Harold Alarcon. Grabe. Razona gustong bumawi. Razona wala. Dave Arana. Guarded by Bulak. Arana. Razona. To Las Coulibaly. All up Jay. Wala. Rebound John Cor Cabahog. Alarcon. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Pasa tayo Bragaes.
10 seconds to shoot.
Bragaes lumipod. Galing Porac, Pampanga. Bragaes 2 points. Masaglang. 2 points. Masaglang bank shot. Alarcon. Kobe Palencia to Jintoy Mijares. John Cor Cabahog to Kobe. Alarcon. Lumapit. Wala. Rebound Las Coulibaly. Pass to Masaglang. Masaglang. Call up Jay. 2 points. Masaglang.